Alright guys, I'm doing a video today on putting on my aftermarket mirrors on this bike. So yeah, they just got delivered, and here they, yeah, sad news guys. My mirrors were delivered, but unfortunately they were broken when they got here. So I had to get a replacement pair sent. So when they get here, I'll put them back. I'll put them on. Anyways, my mirrors finally got here, and they are Kimimoto mirrors. I got them off of Amazon for like less than 40 bucks. I've actually used these mirrors before on another bike, and they weren't too bad. So that's what I'm going to be using on the Svartpilen 801. Anyways, I've opened them up. There's mirrors and stuff in here. I'll have to, this could be a lot harder than I thought. All right, since that was so hard, I think what I'm going to do is focus on taking this bolt out. Oh, thank God it's not a Torx, because it was going to end up being harder than I thought as well. Anyways, this is an Allen head bolt. Not sure what size, and I will take that out and take the bar end weight out of the handlebar to put on the new mirrors. And also I got to take off these mirrors here, which hopefully ends up being simple. It's got this cover on here. Let's pull that up. Looks like, yeah, you're just going to have to do some wrenching. See, wrenching. Yep. To get the stock mirrors off. All right, I'm going to do that real quick. I used two 17 millimeters wrenches to get that off. There was one on top that was a part of the mirror. So yeah, two 17s if you need to use them. You might only have to use the one if you just twist this actually. Yeah, maybe not. But two 17 millimeter wrenches to get those off. And there you go. She is mirrorless. Oh my gosh, she's not wearing any mirrors. Definitely looks a lot shorter, but I think I will also end up, if possible, taking these out. Hopefully they come out. I'm not sure if they do or not. Actually, you will just, twist out this bar end weight, the screw here, with this size Allen wrench, probably a 3-incher. And then you will pull this out. It's actually two pieces. If you take that bolt out, it will come apart. But anyways, yeah, that's how you take it out. Pretty simple. I'll do the other side real quick. Get it loose, and that's pretty easy. Pull it right out. As you can see, this Kimimoto mirror comes in two pieces. Got the actual mirror part, which will bolt on right here to the extension part of it, and then this will bolt on up here with the included bar ends that come with it. So alrighty. Alright, for this bar end weight, you will have to put the mirror on the outer edge of it here, and then when you put this in, this is going to be hard to explain, especially for dumb people such as myself. Hopefully I can figure it out. When you unscrew this, you notice that these things start to compress inward, or can, so that it can fit in there. And it may actually come with two sets on here. I'm actually looking. Oh yeah, it comes with two sets. Looks like a smaller set for smaller handlebars. I'm assuming it's for the 7/8 inch handlebar, and these are probably for the 1-inch handlebar. So you'll have to take this all the way out and take this one off, and then just use this one when putting it in. Alrighty, I'm gonna do that. As you can see, I got this thing off of this, so it's set up for the 7/8 inch handlebar. And what you want to do is get this screwed in as much as you can, so that this piece expands as much as it can, but not so much that you can't insert this into here. Does that make sense? Not to me neither, but we'll try to do that. Alright, I got the mirrors on. Made use of the spacers that came with the mirrors, and now I have them on the bike, and I'll say that looks pretty sleek. And oh yeah, I was also able to get these little pieces that were in here that hold the mirrors on, so now I just need to get caps or something. If I can get it to zoom in or focus. Yeah, there. So I got that. So now got these mirrors on. You take it outside and get a look of it outside in the open. It looks so much better, so much more sleek, and just yeah, and hopefully these mirrors function better too. So let's see. Oh yeah, these are, like I said, Kimimoto mirrors off of Amazon. Let's take this off. These are tinted too, by the way. So pretty cool. Let's see how they are functional. They're not very big, but the position of them will make them better than stock, trust me. All right, put the bar end mirrors on there. Very nice. Looks good. Yeah. Hard to see, but yeah. And totally dig the look. Bar, changing the mirrors on this bike alone does a lot. That's probably the biggest shortcoming on this motorcycle. So glad to get that out of the way. There she is. Like, subscribe, put that little bell dingy thing on so that you know when I post new videos. And yeah, till next time, God bless, and y'all have a good one. Peace.